What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the show. Today we're going to be talking about SMAs, or simple moving averages. We're going to throw them on our chart. We have SPY is what we're using for our example once again. So first of all, I want you to get used to, once again, using edit studies. You're going to go down, right click anywhere on your chart, go down to studies, edit studies, and you're going to type in simple or simple moving average. Now listen, this is where it's important, and this is also where I like to use edit studies because it keeps everything in front for you so you can kind of see. I want 3 different SMAs. I want the 50, the 100 day, then the 200 day. So I want those 3. So I'm going to double click on it 2 more times. Sometimes this does freeze up. So if it does, just after you click one, just hit apply and then do it again. Okay, so we're going to apply those. Now, they're all the same day, right? So they're all on the same. We got 3 different, if you look at the top up here, 3 different SMAs on the same line. That's because they default to 9 day. So we're going to go back to edit. We're going to hit the little gearbox, choose a color you want, and set this to 50. Okay, so there's that one. Go down to the second one, set this one to 100. Change the color. Make sure you make it a separate color so you can see a distinct difference. Go down to the third one. And you might be asking, why are you putting such different time lengths? So the reason why this chart is mainly for looking at long-term investments and kind of far out crossovers on the SMAs. So I specifically like to use kind of the farther time zones and high day SMAs. So now that I got that applied, we're gonna hit OK, and you can see a distinct difference on all the colors, or I'm sorry, all the SMAs, and it's easy to read a chart like this. Okay. SMAs are important. All right. They show when you have crosses, it's very important to understand that is signaling some type of movement, especially on a time frame like this where I have 50, 100, and 200. Okay. When you have something like this, like NVIDIA, you see a clear uptrend, obviously, right? You just take the SMAs away, but what you're looking for is space. This space between all of these SMAs, this stock is so strong when it comes to these moving averages. That's a big indicator of strength. Now, if you're looking at something like crosses, right? We'll go back to SPY. Seeing a 50 cross is kind of what you're looking for, and then eventually the 100, and then the 200. 200 should always be on bottom of a bullish stock. You see the cross here and cross here. That's signaling a lot of bullish divergence, especially long term, because again, we have high length days, 50, 100, 200. So you see the cross right here, and then the space being created, and we're bullish again. So, and also the SMAs are going to act like natural resistances and supports. So you kind of see it bounce here. You kind of see this double test the 200. The 200 is going to be the strongest. It's kind of the same thing. 50 is the weakest. 100, 200, those are all, they get stronger the higher you go. So you see this, how this battled around the 200 when it started selling off. Okay, battled here, we had a test here. Okay, so that's kind of what they're used for. I don't want to get into too many examples. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I can or if you send me a chart or anything like that, I can look at it and kind of explain what I see using the SMAs. So make sure you leave me a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.